Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. The question is 4 to the power of x times 1 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 400. What is the value of x? So solution can start from here. Firstly, I can rewrite the question, which is 4 to the power of x times 1 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 400. Now dear student, we know that one rule, which is p to the power of m times k to the power of m is equal to p times k whole to the power of m. We can apply this rule on the above equation, so it can become 4 times 1 over 2 whole to the power of x is equal to 400. These two ones are 2, two twos are 4. So in the next step, we can just write 2 to the power of x is equal to 400. Now dear student, this is an exponential form, so we can apply log on both sides. So it can become log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 400. Now here again we know about one rule, which is log p to the power of n is equal to n log p. We can apply this rule on the above equation. So it can become x log 2 is equal to log 400. Now I divide both sides by log 2. This log 2 can cancel with this log 2. So from here, the value of x is equal to log 400 divided by log 2. Now in the next step, log 400 can be written as x is equal to log into 4 times 100 divided by log 2. Now here we know that one rule, which is log AB is equal to log A plus log b. We can apply this rule on the right side denominator equation. So it can become x is equal to log 4 plus log 100 divided by log 2. Now dear student, I am going to the next page. Okay student, I can write here the equation. Now I can write separately log 2 on each term. So x is equal to log 4 divided by log 2 plus log 100 divided by log 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to log 4 can be written as log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 2 plus log 100 can be written as log 10 to the power of 2 divided by log 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to 2 log 2, these 2 can come before, so 2 log 2 divided by log 2 plus these 2 come before, 2 log 10 divided by log 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to 2 plus This log 2 can cancel with this log 2. So 2 plus 2 log 10 divided by log 2. Now in the next step, I can write it as x is equal to 2 plus 2. This can be written as log 10 base 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to 2 plus 2 into log 10 can be written as log 5 times 2 base these 2. Okay, now x is equal to 2 plus 2. Now I can multiply we can apply rule. So here we can write 2 plus 2 into log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2. Dear student, firstly we can write log on each term, and here we can apply rule. This is a rule, and I can explain this rule before. So if you cannot know about this rule, then I can explain in the next video, inshallah. So x is equal to 2 plus, we can write it as 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2. Dear student, we know that about that this one equal to 1. Okay, so in the next step, x is equal to 2 plus this 2 can multiply to this. So 2 log 5 base 2 plus this 2 can multiply also with this one. So it become 2. Now here 2 plus 2, x is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 log 5 base 2. This is our final answer of x. Dear student, if you enjoy my video, then like to the video and subscribe to my channel. I can review the problem. So tell me in the comment section that which thing I can improve in my lecture. Also tell me in the comment section that you enjoy my video or not. Thanks for watching again and again.